Hello, today I'm going to present you my university, the International University of Grand-Bassam, which have different major or different schools. The School of Social Science, the School of Business, and the STEM, the School of Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics. And for this to be a special adventure, I will let you discover the different students' perspective in the schools. Let's go!
Now, let's hear the perspective of Ingeta Deborah, a student from the School of Business.
My name is Ingeta Deborah, junior student majoring in business administration with a concentration in finance. When I came here for the first time, I was a bit lost, but after one semester, due to the clubs and the program that the university proposed, I've been able to integrate the school life. I belong to the School of BBA, Bachelor of Business Administration, which counts a lot of concentration like entrepreneurship, marketing, management, accounting, economy, and finance, which I belong to. And I chose this major because I would like to be a financial analyst when I will finish my studies.
After listening to the wonderful story of Miss Ingeta, we are going to listen to Ouattara Yohan, a student from the School of Social Sciences.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Yohan Ouattara, and I'm a student here at IUGB. My major is political science with a concentration in international relations, and here at IUGB you have a variety of choices. For example, if you study social sciences, you have political theory, political economy, and political research as concentrations. And my social integration at IUGB was a bit weird, to say the least, because at the beginning I did not talk to anyone and I was just on my own. But with the help of the advisors, the students, and the clubs, I started opening up, and since then my social life has been flourishing at IUGB, and it's really been amazing. My major is political science with a concentration in international relations. But the thing is, that wasn't always my first choice. When I first came to IUGB, I wanted to do law. But what happened is that they did not have an option for law, and the advisor steered me towards political science. At first, I was weirded out because I did not really like it, but over time, my love for politics grew, and this inspired me to be of use in Côte d'Ivoire. I want to become someone important that can steer Ivory Coast towards a better future, which is why I'm officially announcing my presidency in the coming years.
Finally, we will hear the story of Saratou Ouattara, a student in STEM.
Hello guys, my name is Saratou Ouattara. I belong to STEM field. STEM field offers various majors like mechanical engineering technology, mathematics, computer information system, computer science, and data science. So let's see what I do. I am a student majoring in mechanical engineering technology. I decided to choose mechanical engineering as a major because I have always been fascinated by the process of creating devices and machines. So this creativity combined with my passion for science, technology, and engineering led me to choose this major. In the beginning, IUGB was complicated for me because I discovered a new environment, new people, and also a new language of study. But today I feel comfortable because people here are very welcoming, and with the help of some clubs like the speech club, I find a way to integrate myself. After graduating, I aim to work in the industry where I can contribute to innovative projects, particularly focusing on the design and the production of new technology solutions. I expect also to work as a mechanical engineer for some famous brands like Mercedes, BMW, Audi, and other famous brands that you already know.
We are at the end of our video. We hope that you enjoyed and to get some more insights about the type of school that we offered in IUGB. We hope that you will come to our office and you will be part of our schools. Start register now. Thank you.